It's easy to forget the world and this quiet brilliance has always been right here. I love how the woods never rush. Each moment lingers just long enough for me to breathe it all in. Every step feels like a new chapter. The air so clean, so full of life, it makes you realize how much you've missed. Life's beauty isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet, in the stillness, like the way the water glides over stones, effortless but steady. I think I'm exactly where I need to be, grateful for this moment, for this simple, beautiful life.